So usually sales is the one that knows what they, or can figure out what they need for what, their application is.
And that does surprise people, and maybe that's worth talking about, is that we will get questions. I will get questions in support from people that don't have our equipment yet, and they're trying to do exactly that. They're trying to spec what it is that they need.
Right.
And I say, I tell them, well, you really need to talk to our sales engineers about that. And I always make sure I mention that, because they're not just salesmen. They're very knowledgeable. They're very
Right.
intellectually capable of designing systems and
Right.
I have absolutely
technically inclined.
talked to salespeople at other companies that do not know
No,
what you need and cannot answer your questions,
Well,
and
yeah,
we are not that way.
No,
I mean, they can
no.
configure an entire system based on what you say you want.
They're not
They
just-
know our products better
that's-
than
They're
anybody.
not just salesmen. They're really not.
And
No,
that
they're
and
not.
that's another thing that's really very unique about us, is the fact that everything that the salesman configure is actually personal for each and every customer. It's not
that
the
custom
same
thing.
for everybody else. It's just it's custom for each customer, for how they want it, what their needs are.
And that is important to remember, why sometimes it's not ready in 1 week. Because I get all of those questions. Well, when is it ready? Why isn't it ready now? When can I have it? When will it ship? And no, it's custom, and we are manufacturing it. And we have a very strict manufacturing process as far as putting it together and then the final testing. And a lot of customers don't understand that we're not going to skimp on the final testing just because you really need it tomorrow because
that's
there's
not
a
gonna-
holiday the next week, or that's not the way we do it.
It's not gonna save you time in the long run.
While we are certainly hustling to get whatever they need and meet their time limits,
Right.
we are very
Quality
accurate,
conscious?
quality conscious and accurate in the way that we test, and nothing goes out of this building without being signed off on by several people. So
And that
makes a
kind of goes
difference.
back to the pride in what we do every day.
I mean, that's just another part of customer
Yep.
support, is the people that are testing large
Right.
systems to make sure that when they arrive, they are right and
Yep.
everything's working the way it should be, and
Right.
everything has been connected together as a system, not just, well, we tested this unit and then we tested this unit, so if you put them together, they should be fine.
We test it as a
We test
system.
it as a system, and that makes a difference.
Yep.